Over the last 3 months, I tested over 50 AI tools across every part of my business: sales, marketing, finance, HR, operations, all of it. And I spent real money on most of them, so you don't have to. Some of them completely changed how I run my business. At the same time, others, total waste of money. Today, I'm breaking down the exact tools I'm using in every department of my business, and I will show you what each one actually does inside. Here's what most of AI tool videos get wrong. They give you a random list of 30 apps with no context on where they actually fit in your business. You sign up for everything, get overwhelmed, and end up using one of them. I've been there. So instead of organizing this by tool type, I organize it by business function. The 6 areas every business has to manage: sales, marketing, finance, HR, operations, and admin. I'm going to show you the exact AI tool I use for each one, what it looks like inside, and why it beat everything else I tested. By the end of this video, you will have a complete AI powered business tag you can set up this week. I run BotBytes AI, my AI automation company, where I build these systems for clients every single day. So when I say I tested these tools, I tested them in real businesses with real payroll, real clients, real compliance requirements. AI tools have gone from expensive and complicated to plug and play. The gap between businesses using AI and those that aren't is growing every month. And you don't need to be technical. Every tool on this list can be set up and deliver value this week. Alright, let's start. Where it matters most: making money. For sales and revenue generation, the tool that blew me away is Manus AI. Here's the problem: building lead generation tools, landing pages, prospect list that used to mean hiring a developer, a copywriter, and a virtual assistant. Manus replaces all three. Manus AI gives you a simple chat interface like ChatGPT, but instead of just answering questions, it actually builds things. Type one prompt and it creates sales websites, lead generation tools, automation funnels, SEO directories, prospect lists, all deployed and ready to go. It researches your business, writes the copy, adds testimonials, embeds videos, and deploys everything to a live URL. And it runs multiple tasks simultaneously. One agent builds your site, while another scrapes LinkedIn for prospects. For anything that drives revenue, Manus is the one. Next up, marketing. This is where most small business owners burn the most time. Creating content, posting it everywhere, trying to stay consistent. For content management and distribution, the answer is Blatato. Feed it any source: a YouTube video, an article, a PDF, even an audio file, and it generates tailored posts for Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok all at once. You can connect up to 20 social media accounts, schedule everything from one dashboard, and it even has an inspiration feed where you can browse trending posts by topic and remix them into your own content with one click. Plus, it has API access, so you can connect it to an A10 or make and fully automate your content pipeline. We'll come back to that. Now for the visual side of marketing, quick hits on the AI image and video tools worth knowing. For image generation, Midjourney is still the gold standard for high quality, artistic, cinematic images. If you need professional grade visuals, that's the one. But if you need text rendered correctly inside your images, like infographics or product shots, Google's Nano Banana Pro built into Gemini handles that better than anything else out there. For AI video, Google's Veo 3.1 is unique because it generates synchronized audio, dialogue, and lip syncing natively alongside the video. And Kling gives you the best balance of quality and cost for image to video conversion with solid character consistency. For marketing, this combination covers every visual format you need. Now let's talk money. Accounting eats up time, but QuickBooks just dropped AI agents that change everything. Their accounting agent auto-categorizes bank transactions. 45 minutes of manual work done in under 5. The payments agent turns photos, handwritten notes, even contracts into invoices automatically. Recognizes customers, products, pricing, all of it. They've also added a customer agent that scans your Gmail for leads, tags them hot, warm, or cold, drafts responses, and shows your pipeline in a Kanban view. QuickBooks basically turned itself into a CRM on top of your accounting software. And on the advanced plan, a finance agent generates executive level summaries at month end or year end with drill down insights and PDF export. For finance and accounting, this is the stack. For managing your team, Notion has become the command center. Assign tasks, track statuses, set dependencies, and give every team member their own filtered view. Same database, different perspectives. Create templates for repeating processes so nothing gets missed. One-click buttons that reassign tasks and update statuses instantly. Dependency tracking means dragging one task on a timeline automatically shifts everything downstream. I use it to manage onboarding, training schedules, and task tracking across all three businesses. For HR and people management at the small business level, Notion is the one. This is the tool that runs my business while I sleep. N8N is an open source workflow automation platform and the backbone of everything I do at BotBytes. Think of it as a digital assembly line. A new form comes in, N8N enriches the lead with AI, adds them to your CRM, sends a welcome email, notifies your team on Slack, and creates a follow-up task. All automatic, zero manual work. It connects to over 400 apps, has built-in AI integration with Claude and GPT, and you can self-host it for free. For operations and service delivery, N8N is the engine that makes everything else on this list work together. And that's exactly what we build for clients at BotBytes. Last category, and this is the one people sleep on. Administration and compliance, policies, documentation, research, contracts, regulatory filings. This is where the big AI assistants actually earn their keep. Here's how I split them up. Claude is my go-to for writing policies, analyzing long documents, and anything that requires careful, nuanced reasoning. I upload entire regulatory guides, and it drafts compliant documentation without hallucinating details. Best writing quality of any AI, period. ChatGPT is the Swiss Army knife. I use it for data analysis, image generation with DALL-E, and quick multi-purpose tasks where I need the broadest feature set in one place. Perplexity is my research engine. Every answer comes with live web sources and clickable citations. When I need to verify a regulation, research a compliance requirement, or check current policy standards, Perplexity gives me sourced answers, not guesses. And NotebookLM is the sleeper pick. Upload your training manuals, policy docs, or SOPs, and it becomes an AI that only answers from your materials. Perfect for building an internal knowledge base your team can actually query. For admin and compliance, you don't need one tool. You need this team of four. Here's what no other roundup video gives you. How these tools actually connect into one system. Manus builds landing pages. Those feed leads into QuickBooks for pipeline tracking. Blata distributes content to drive traffic. Notion manages your team. N8N is the glue, automating every handoff, so data moves between tools without you touching anything. New employee starts, Notion triggers an N8N workflow that sends welcome emails, creates training tasks, and updates records automatically. That's not a list of tools, that's an operating system for your business. And building these connected stacks, that's exactly what we do at BotBytes. So there you have it, the complete AI stack I'm running across real businesses in 2026. 6 business functions, the best tool for each one, and how they all connect together. No fluff, no hype, just the ones that actually work under pressure. I put together a free cheat sheet with every tool from this video, pricing breakdowns, category assignments, and the exact setup steps I use. I turned the whole thing into a full PDF, and it's waiting for you right now in my WhatsApp channel. Links in the description. Go grab it.